Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're breaking down the Windows 11 July 2026 Patch Tuesday update. What's new, what's fixed, and what's finally not annoying anymore. I've tested this update myself, so I feel confident to walk you guys through some of the features that we think here at the website are some headliners. 5 in particular. Feature number 1, widgets. They stop being annoying by default. Widgets no longer just open from hovering over the taskbar icon, which fixes a year-old complaint where the board would slide open by accident if you got anywhere near the bottom corner. Taskbar notifications for the widgets section are now minimized by default, and a badge color matches the Windows accent color instead of standing out as just a random red dot. First-time users now land directly on the widgets dashboard instead of the MSN feed. The lock screen only shows a weather widget instead of a crowded set of cards. Dashboard icons show a count of unread alerts and badges, and they clear automatically once you leave the dashboard. There are options to choose your layout of the sidebar. You can go for the old MSN look, which is now the new Copilot look. You can go for a hybrid mix, or you can go straight utilitarian and use the bare bones widget taskbar finder. You can also grab widgets from the Microsoft Store. I don't know how useful they are, but they are growing in number. Feature number 2, a calendar to pause updates for as long as you want. Windows Updates now lets you pick an exact end date from a calendar to pause updates, up to 35 days out, replacing the old dropdown that only offered fixed weekly increments. You can extend the pause again later by picking a new date, as long as it stays within the 35 days of today, though old pause times do not carry over. It's been a heavily requested feature, and Microsoft seems to be listening and rolling it out, and they've been doing so for the past few months. Feature number 3, point-in-time restore. It rolls back your entire PC, and it's centralized in one location to do so. It is a recover feature that automatically recreates full snapshots of your PC, including apps, settings, and personal files, and keeps them for up to 72 hours. If a bad update, driver, or app installation breaks something, you boot into recovery, pick a restore point, and the whole drive rolls back to that state. Unlike older system restores, which only touch system files and registry, this keeps everything on the OS drive. It runs on volume shadow copy service, which fully works offline and needs no subscription. You can set the restore point frequency anywhere from every 4 hours to every 24 hours from the settings, system, and recovery sections, and it needs at least 200 gigs of free space to turn on automatically. Feature number 4, screen tint and sharper magnifier. Screen tint is a new accessibility feature that applies a full screen color overlay to reduce eye strain. Different from Nightlight, it lets you control both color intensity rather than just warming the display. There are several preset colors, including an amber tone similar to Nightlight, plus blue, green, and others. You can also pick a custom color. It lives under settings and accessibility. The same update improves magnifier too, letting you type an exact zoom percentage directly and adjusting zoom increments from the magnifier bar itself instead of going into the settings each time. The biggest Bluetooth reliability fix Windows 11 has shipped at once. It fixes Bluetooth across microphone sync, device compatibility, audio stability, and connection reliability, all at the same time, which is rare. The headline fix is microphone mute sync. Windows now keeps the mute state in sync between the audio mixer and Bluetooth headsets that support hands-free profile. So muting in Windows no longer leaves your headset showing the wrong state. AirPods now appear faster in pairing mode. Beats Pros get better microphone reliability. I don't use one of those. I am a Bose person myself, and it has its own set of fixes. LE Audio streaming recovers more reliably after a drop connection, and classic Bluetooth devices reconnect faster after the PC wakes from hibernation. Phone Link also gets smarter call audio routing. Audio stays on your phone while ringing and only moves to the PC once you answer there. An incoming call no longer rings on the PC when Do Not Disturb is on. So there you are, your top 5 headliners. However, there are some other notable features and fixes. We didn't feel like these were worthy enough to dedicate an entire section to, but we'll go over them quickly. Emoji panel switches from tenor to Jiffy. Giphy, depending on how you want to pronounce it. The emoji panel, Windows key plus period, now pulls GIFs from Giphy or Jiffy, I guess, after Google shut down the tenor API it used before. File Explorer gets faster and fixes several bugs. Launch speeds are said to improve. Your mileage may vary. The address bar now handles paths with double backslashes and quotation marks correctly. The OneDrive shortcut no longer breaks in administrator mode, and renaming a file no longer keeps reselecting the text. Voice typing adds French, German, and Spanish, available on Copilot Plus PCs with real-time grammar and punctuation correction as you speak. That's going to be it for us today. Thank you for joining, and I hope you enjoy your new Windows update.